It's fair to say we're not the traditional retailer. Flink is a quick commerce retailer, meaning we deliver groceries to our customers as soon as possible. With our extreme growth that came with a few challenges and a technical landscape that wasn't really unified in its core. We had different systems for doing the same thing in different countries. And so we are moving away from standardized solutions, and we managed to with Oracle have one platform where everything is. With implementing Oracle and having one standardized platform for all our processes, we were able to gain an end-to-end transparency in our purchase order flow. So at any point in time, we know what is going on from placing the purchase order, creating it in Oracle, sending it to the suppliers, and then receiving invoice. Everything end-to-end our supply chain flow is for us very transparent on the last detail of the data level. We believe that we can really grow without growth pain. Oracle prepares us for the future.